Meaning of fast food.
Fast food.
Fast food.
Fast food.
Fast food. Fast food refers to easily prepared and served food that is often consumed on the go or at a fast food restaurant. These foods are typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, and lack essential nutrients. Fast food has become a popular choice for many due to its convenience and affordability, but excessive consumption has been linked to obesity, heart disease, and other health problems. Therefore, it's important to balance fast food intake with healthier options and limit consumption to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle.